For the past 16 years, PDP has not stepped into this area, Okene area here. Today, we are breaking the keys. Today, God has answered our prayer. And we know it shall be well with PDP here. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́, mo dúpẹ́, mo wá dúpẹ́. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Olúwa mi mo dúpẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́, mo dúpẹ́. You know, for those who don't understand what I'm saying, we are giving thanks to God. We are giving thanks to Allah that I declare today, today is the day that the Lord has made, and we shall rejoice and be glad in it. What I'm telling you today, we want fairness. We are in Central here. Central, they have done it for 8 years or so. The East have done it. It's now the turn of West, right? Everybody say West. 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 You know, I'm from Osun State. Same thing happened in Osun State. When it's time for West, they cheated us. But we come back stronger. And today, as our slogan is called Imole. Imole means light. I have brought light to Kogi. And when light comes, darkness vanishes. Kogi will see a new dawn. Come November 11, I want you all, don't be afraid, don't be scared. This is democracy. Nobody's going to hurt you. Everybody should go and vote and stay with your vote. What we're going to be campaigning, we will campaign on issues. We are not fighting anybody. We want to tell the people of Kogi that we can do better. That is what we are doing. In terms of infrastructure, in terms of agriculture, in terms of everything that Kogi have been missing. When you compare, when PDP was in government, I want you to compare, with now. So nobody will hurt you. Nobody will do anything because this is democracy. You are exercising your right to vote. And I know you will vote for PDP, right? Now what I'm saying is that when you vote for PDP, you vote for prosperity. When you vote for PDP, you vote for rule of law. When you vote for PDP, you vote for due process. That is what we know PDP. PDP is the real party. Is the real progressive party. They can be saying they're progressive. What do you mean by progressive? Progressive is when your people are happy. Progressive is when you are doing things for your people in terms of health, education, in terms of infrastructure. That is what is meant when we say progressive. And when you go and check, that's what I call fact check. Go and fact check it. Compare when PDP was there and now. You will see PDP is for you. And I urge you, don't be afraid once again. We are here for you. We leaders will back you. Nothing will happen to you. On that note, I would now call on the National Council, another National State Council, Can I beg you to please rise?